We will start with the tutorial how to create the question paper of class test 1, that is internal assessment test 1 and test 2. So log in to your account. First of all you have to set the TSI. आपको TSI set करना पड़ेगा. Go to staff menu. Here is option to set the TSI. So click on this option. Select the academic year. In order to change the academic year, press the arrow buttons. कीबोर्ड पे जो एरो बटन्स है अप और डाउन वाला, वो एरो बटन प्रेस करके आप ये ईयर बदल सकते हो. सो आई विल सिलेक्ट द एकेडमिक ईयर 24-25 semester 1, and as I am using one of the account of your college, you will see the allocated load. जो सब्जेक्ट लोड दिया है वही आपको दिखेगा, उसी का आप TSI मार्क कर सकते हो. So select this and put the TSI value. So this is the first step you have to do. Mark the TSI value. After putting, click on this upload button and the things will be uploaded. Now the step number 2, create the question paper. So go to the question paper menu. First option is there, new edit question paper. Select the academic year 24-25 semester 1. If you want to create the first test paper, select the first radio button. If you want to if you want to select the second test paper, select the second radio button. Or if you are going to conduct the mid test, you are going to click the third radio button. Now here, as we are going to see the applied physics question paper, click on edit button, put the execution date here, put the start time, end time, the number of major questions in your question paper you have to put in this table, main question. So first question is having attempt any 3, second question is having attempt any 1, third question is having attempt any 1. So here all these 3 questions what I had selected, okay, 1 के सामने attempt any 3 वाले ये 4 रह जाएंगे. So first one you can see here, it is asking about the main question 1. You can put the number of questions related in the main question 1. So 4 questions they had given. Compare the light from ordinary source with laser. Give the marks of that question. Select the CO. Give the label. If you want, you can add the image using this. In some cases related to the mathematics, or in some cases related to some mechanical subjects, if you are having the symbols like summation, alpha, beta, gamma, these are not inserted in this text box. So keeping this blank, you can keep this text blank. Just select the marks, select the COs, and you can write, or you can select the image of that particular line, whatever the question is there. So similarly, you will put the questions of question number 2, we will put the questions of question number 3. Make sure that whatever the marks you are writing are according to your question paper, and COs what you are writing are according to the question paper. Finally, once you create the question paper, click the upload button, the question paper will be saved. Step number 3, how to give the marks to the students. Everyone is given with the menu exams. Inside that exam there is a third menu, test 1. Click on that test 1. Select the academic year 24-25. Select the semester. You will get your subject name. Click on the edit button, and here come the sheet where you can fill the marks. The student who got the marks in question number A, 1A, you can put the marks here. If suppose you are trying to put the marks more than allotted the marks, it will show in the red color message that range is into 0 to 2. So whichever the mark the student has achieved, the total marks will appear at the end. So after the end of this box, you will see the numbers. So here you can find out the numbers, and by this way you have filled the class test marks. Please upload this mark. In order to check that how your attainment sheet is been shown in the report, the step number 4 is reports. Inside that, go to criteria 3, select class test 1 analysis, use the display button, select the academic year, select the semester, and once you click the subject name, press on the select button. The report for the specific subject, that is attainment for class test A, is being generated. So here is the sheet in front of you. Make sure that whatever the things you had entered, it is easily visible to you people. So this is the video for adding the marks for class test. You can use this method for class test 1 also. You can use this method for class test 2. Make sure that you are using the TSI mark just once. For class test 2, no need of going again to TSI and giving the number over there. You have to give the TSI just once. Thank you.